Morning, everyone. My name is Mike. I am a retired electrician, and I'm here to show you how to connect a smart H three-way switch. This is our traditional three-way switches where you have your line coming into the first switch, then you have your travelers going to your second switch, and then you have your load wire going to the light. Okay, so the first step is you go to your first three-way switch, pull it out of the wall, identify your two travelers, which is usually on the two gold screws, and then your line coming in would be on the black screw. Then you go to your second three-way switch, you identify your travelers again. Usually it's going to be the red and the black on the same color screws, gold, and your load is going to be on the black screw. So usually the line should come into the first three-way switch, and if it's traditional wiring, the electrician will bring the line in from the bottom of the switch. And the load on the second three-way switch should be coming out of the top and going to your light. Now, the next step would be you've already identified that this is the switch that has the load on it, the light. So basically, from your module, you connect your neutral wire to the neutrals, okay? Your red wire is going to be the light wire. We call that the load. And then you're going to take the black wire from the module, connect it to the traveler T2, and then you'll take the yellow wire connected to traveler T1. Okay, so now it's important to go back to your first three-way switch, the one that has the line coming in. What you want to do here is remove one of the travelers, T2, from the top, bring it down to the line side, and either you could marret these wires or put them under the same screw. That'll work as well. Okay. And now you've completed the installation of a three-way smart switch. And the last step is to test the three-way smart module. First of all, turn on your power at the electrical panel, and you should be able to turn on the switch from one location and turn it off from the second location.